Welcome to Lesson 1. This course focuses on aggressively leveraging the power of YouTube to make affiliate sales. Our goal will be to establish a working affiliate apparatus and make it profitable in as little time as possible. If you've been looking at affiliate marketing for a while, you've probably noticed that YouTube is packed with affiliate reviews of all sorts of products. Some of them are webcam talking head videos, some are selfie videos shot with a phone while taking a walk, some are impressive semi-professional videos with people behind a counter or sitting on a couch with a physical product in front of them on a coffee table, and some are basic screencast videos. And then there are even the super cheap ones that consist of only photos and text or slideshows. All of them have the same basic conclusion. Click the link below to learn more, or something along those lines. Of course, that link is an affiliate link, and every time someone clicks it and eventually buys a product, even if it's a few days later thanks to cookies, the person who made that video gets paid a commission, and that's where you want to be. So why video? There's a few reasons. First, videos are more readily consumed these days than textual content. People would much rather get the info they need quickly by listening and watching than having to read. Plus, video is easier for you. Review websites and blogs simply take too much time and effort. You've got to continuously create and add textual content, proofread it, and SEO optimize all of it. And good luck getting it ranked on today's search engines. In today's world, if you're not on page 1 or maybe page 2 of Google, you're not going to get seen. For video sites, on the other hand, like YouTube, Vimeo, and Dailymotion, you don't need to appear on the front page. You'll be seen in the related videos sidebar of other similar videos. This is why it's so easy for even newbies to start seeing progress on YouTube, because everyone is constantly going from one video to the next and clicking on related video results. Now, there are a handful of major video sites out there, but we're focusing on YouTube for the following reasons. YouTube has over 1 billion users, more than a third of the world's internet users. More importantly, those figures are not remaining static. Watch time increases by 50% every year, and the number of people using the site increases by 40% every year. Clearly, if you want to be seen, YouTube is the place to be. Now that we understand why we're using video marketing, let's have a look at what we'll be learning in the course. Lesson 1 covers affiliate networks or marketplaces. We'll be talking about how to choose and get set up with the affiliate marketplace that's right for you. Lesson 2 is all about choosing a product. We'll identify ways to determine which products will work best for you. Lesson 3 is going to talk about the traffic method, namely the YouTube videos and how to use them effectively. Lesson 4 is where we'll establish your battle plan and figure out how to implement what you've learned. So if you're ready, let's dive into Lesson 1, choosing an affiliate marketplace. There's 2 key questions to ask before you choose an affiliate network or marketplace. What's your niche? Are you targeting would-be internet marketers? Survival enthusiasts? Golfers? People trying to lose weight? The next question is whether you're trying to sell physical products or information products, also called digital products. For some niches, like survival enthusiasts, you could do both. For example, an info product might be a video course or ebook on small game hunting, while a physical product might be a fire starter kit or survival rations. On the other hand, some niches will primarily be one or the other. For example, the internet marketing niche will primarily just be info products, while the pet reptile niche will mostly be physical supplies. If you're in a niche where you can do both, pick the one you want to start with first and just focus on that. If you're selling physical products, you'll be looking for online physical product stores with affiliate programs. You want to pick the ones with the best combination of high commission rate and popularity. For example, you might come across an online store offering a whopping 30% commission rate, but they might be lesser known and therefore you might be less likely to make sales. On the other hand, a big store like Amazon, for example, might offer a low commission rate like 5 to 10%, but due to its popularity, you're more likely to make sales. For information products, you'll want to join one of the major digital marketplaces like ClickBank. Really, all you're looking at here is ease of use and selection. Ease of use has to do with how easy it is to set up an account and start promoting products. Typically, they're all pretty easy as far as account setup, but some marketplaces like JVZoo require you to request approval for each product and wait to be approved by the vendor, while other places like ClickBank allow you to pick one and start promoting immediately. Regarding selection, your number one concern is whether they have a lot of products in your niche. If you're looking for internet marketing products, JVZoo is pretty good, But ClickBank has a larger selection of both internet marketing and other niche products like weight loss, finance, carpentry, music training, and so on. There are a ton of affiliate programs and marketplaces out there, including JVZoo, Commission Junction, LinkShare, ShareASale, and the list goes on. Not to mention, you can also take any e-store or product online, Google their name along with the word affiliate program, and you'll be surprised to see how many of them have their own in-house affiliate program. However, for the reasons mentioned above, this course will focus on Amazon for physical goods and ClickBank for digital ones, and that's what we'll be covering in the next lesson.